Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious rajas con crema. These are so delicious. I'm going to be adding chicken, corn. If you guys want to see how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by roasting our chiles. I'm going to be using 3 Anaheim chiles and 2 Poblano peppers. Keep turning them until they are roasted on all sides. These are ready. I'm going to put them in a bag so they can sweat. Okay, I'm gonna start peeling the chiles, and I like to use a spoon because it's easier to remove the skin. Now I'm gonna remove the stem and the seeds. And we're just gonna slice them like this. I'm gonna be adding some corn. I'm using 2 corns. You can also use canned corn if you'd like. I personally prefer fresh corn. I'm using 3/4 of a pound of thin sliced skinless chicken fillets, cutting them into smaller pieces. I'm gonna season the chicken with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna set my pan on low-medium heat, and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding half of a small white onion, 1 minced garlic clove. Once it's mixed, we're gonna add our chicken. After cooking the chicken for about 5 minutes, we're gonna add our corn. It's been 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna add the corn. We're gonna cook it for an additional 5 minutes. It's been another 5 minutes, and as you can see, our chicken and our corn are turning into a golden color. Now is a perfect time to add in the rajas. Mix it all in. Once it's all mixed, we add in 1 bottle of Crema Mexicana and 4 ounces of cream cheese. And we mix it all in. Once all the crema and the cream cheese are mixed in, this is a time to check for salt. Mine needs a little bit more. I'm gonna add it. Give it another mix. Now we're gonna lower the heat, cover it up, and cook it for an additional 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, and our rajas con crema are now ready. I'm gonna serve myself. And there you have it, delicious rajas con crema. Okay guys, I'm sorry if I seem like I was crying. I actually was, because I broke my nail and it hurt. But anyways, cheers. These are so delicious. And luckily, none of my rajas were spicy at all. But if you want spicy rajas, you can add jalapenos, serrano. This one is just perfect because my kids can eat it. It's not spicy, so definitely need to try. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.